From 50 Leg Studios, we have an exclusive video of the nature animals leaving their natural concrete habitat. Now, as they struggle to reach at this gate, the nature animals are full with happiness and joy. From 50 Leg Studios, we have this live feed of these animals escaping from their natural concrete habitat at Belmont Academy. These animals are full with glee and joy as they escape this concrete jungle. You have this footage, no other than from 50 Leg Studios. And I'm Mr. Oliphant signing out for the day.